Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet with some color. Green color, violet color, yellow color, orange color, red color, pink color, blue color. First, blue color. Blue color, G. G for goal. Red color. Red color, H. H for horse. H for hen. H for house. Pink color. Pink color, I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Orange color. Orange color, J. J for juice. J for jug. J for Japan. Yellow color, K. K for kite. Yellow color, K. K for kite. Violet color. Violet color, L. L for lion. L for lion. G. G for goal. H. H for horse. I for igloo. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. Thank you.